So we've decided to leave Colorado. So we're in Arizona. This is the Petrified Forest. We're just hanging out here. We're kind of just passing through because this wasn't necessarily a part of the original plan, but we have some extra time to spare. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be heading to the Grand Canyon. The weather's kind of perfect for being like a desert area. It's kind of cool. Not awfully cold, but it is a little rainy, which is nice. Bring that shit back, boy. Where are we going?
We're going to the Crystal Forest.
So we're Crystal Forest. We're gonna kind of go on a little walk. We might do a short hike later, but we're not gonna be here for very long. Kind of just passing through, checking it out because we can.
I know they want it. I know she really want it. I said I'm on it. They know for sure.
Alrighty, we are a little bit farther in Arizona. To be exact, we just entered the south entrance of the Grand Canyon National Park. I've always wanted to come here. This is kind of a dream of mine to come here, so I'm kind of excited. Yeah, we'll see what that looks like. It's very busy for a Tuesday, but it is Thanksgiving week, so fall break.
Go home and be with their family.
So like fall break and everything with like school and stuff. That makes a lot of sense actually, why there's a bunch of people here.
These hands of mine have got some stories to tell. Seen parts of heaven and a whole lot of hell. Headed west to stake a claim in the ground. I got as far as Cripple Creek that night. I met a girl with golden hair and green eyes. Fell in love on the outskirts of town.
Where we at?
We are at Yaqui Point.
Yaqui? Is
Yep.
that how you say it?
Like teriyaki.
Well, we're right on the edge here.
Woo-hoo.
There's a bit of a ledge on the other side, but
If we fall, we probably won't die.
yeah,
Maybe not.
maybe not.
Maybe not.
It's very, very cool.
Hung my hat, figured I'd stick around. Hey, the part of me that longs to hold her.
What are we rating the Grand Canyon so far?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Would recommend. I like it. I love it. I see it. I want it. I got it. Did you know that less than 2% of visitors who come to the Grand Canyon go into the Grand Canyon because they're lazy bums? We're not lazy bums. We're gonna go hike into it.
Would bury any man that don't treat her right. I'm gonna love and live and kill and fight. My whole heart till death do us part.
So we're back here again at the Grand Canyon Visitor Center. We're gonna go look at a studio. Do you want to talk about it?
It's an art studio.
What about art? What art studio?
I'm done talking. No more interviews. No more interviews.
Let me double check what it's called. It's the wrong side. The Culp Studio. So that'll be more bus rides, more of me feeling sick. But we're gonna take the blue bus.
Blue bus. That's why we're blue today, so I would remember.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. But we're gonna just kind of do our thing. Tomorrow we are planning on doing the hike.
Because it's Thanksgiving.
And because she slept in.
Because I slept in.
She missed her alarm.
I miss my alarm. Beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
This is very beautiful, everyone.
This is a good time to come look at
This
it.
is a good time to
We were
look
looking
at
at it earlier. It was a little too in the sun.
No, and then everything just looks brown.
Everything looks brown, but now it's like reds and greens
it's
and oranges and blues.
Purple.
Purple?
Purple.
Been out of the game a little too long.
So we're looking at another viewpoint up here in the grand of the canyon. Stop looking at me like that.
I didn't.
She's making fun of me of how I talk. It's much better. You should definitely actually get on the bus and go somewhere.
Afraid so much has changed that I'll do it all wrong. Part of my heart's grown cold within. Gotta find a way to feel the heat again.
Are you enjoying exploring?
Maybe. I don't know, guys. I don't think it's that good. You shouldn't come. You shouldn't come.
Yeah, a little underwhelming.
Yeah, I mean, it's just massive, beautiful canyons. Nothing crazy.
But I don't know where to begin. Oh, I wanna trust myself, love myself, believe.
So, good morning, everybody. We are heading on to the Bright Angel Trailhead. This is one of the trails that go down into the canyon. It's just past 8, so the shadows in the canyon are very beautiful right now. So it's like 7 to 9 miles total. So we've got a few hours of hiking. It's definitely going to be a little bit longer on the way up.
It looks like a sheep is giving my waist a hug.
Do you like it?
No. La boo boo.
Alright, how are you feeling so far?
I don't know, I feel dizzy. I feel weird.
Well, still walking down. We're past the 3-mile mark. It's getting greener as we go down. I'm not sure if it's because we're in a weird pocket that gets less sun, so it's less dry, but it's definitely a little wetter. The canyon looks very different compared to looking at it from above. Definitely would recommend it. Just make sure you take some water and food down here, because on the way up, every step you take down is another step you have to take back up, and up is harder than down. Here in the Grand Canyon. We're past the gardens. We're eating lunch, and that is our view. It's pretty crazy. The view, awesome. The food, it's all right.
Could be better.
Could be better.
Could be better.
Could be better.
We're gonna make up for it tonight.
Yeah, it is Thanksgiving today. We are inside the Grand Canyon on a nice little hike.
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited for the walk back?
I'm scared I'm gonna die.
How many miles do we have left?
Like 5, 6. We're gonna round trip to 11 or 12.
It's pretty fun. Most of it's just uphill, so good thing I'm carrying everything. Yeah, so I'm carrying everything. And so I'm going to be carrying all the stuff
He loves
up.
to do it.
This is a Grandview Tower, and it says not to go up when there's high winds, and it's windy. So we're going up. Lots and lots of steps. So me having the camera out is probably kind of dangerous. Oh, it's windy and cold. We're over here at Navajo Point. We're kind of working our way out the east side. Much quieter on this side. Oh, there's the desert view.
We're gonna go over there.
Thank you.
I think this might be a contender for one of the most beautiful places on earth.
I think most people would say that. We're at the desert view.
Watchtower.
Exactly. It's very pretty.
It's very pretty.
Right next to the canyon.